Here we have the new MacBook Pro. We're unboxing it today. This is my first MacBook laptop or MacBook Pro, and I'm gonna do a quick unboxing just because I'm excited to take a look at it. So this is what we got here today. We have the 13-inch MacBook Pro, 1.4 gigahertz quad-core Intel i5 with 128 ED RAM with turbo boost. It's an 8 gig I want to say processor with a 256 SSD hard drive. Pretty much this all the features that it has, and let's open it up. One of the coolest things about the Apples is they always come in nice sleek boxes, and this is how you open it. Alright, so it has this wrap all around it. Let's open this puppy up. MacBook Pro. Got the space gray color. Let's see. Holy cow, this thing's heavy. Doesn't seem that heavy on display. Alright, so it comes with a sleeve. That's the MacBook. So it comes with a new charger. This is the Type-C USB charger, or not USB, Type-C charger. And it also comes with the connection, the outlet, and that's it. There's nothing else in here. Wow. So props to Apple. They always keep it clean. The boxes are pretty. There's not much in there. There's no manuals or anything like that. It's pretty much pretty light, and charger and power connector for the outlets. All right, let's turn this puppy on. Has like a screen protector or screen sheet, and it looks like it's powering on. So here we get set up our language. So the new space gray color is pretty sleek. It looks a lot cleaner. Super thin. MacBook Pro has a new touch bar, which has like built-in features right here with for like the apps and volume and settings. So super sleek. I like it. Super thin, very light. That's a little carrying case I bought for now, just so I don't damage it or scratch it up. But pretty sleek, nice color. That's the back, front. Let's go ahead and set this puppy up. United States, baby. Let me set up my Wi-Fi. So it's connected to the Wi-Fi. Gotta sign into my ID, my Apple ID.